How to speed up a video on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily speed up a video on your Snapchat application. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat application, and I'll just quickly take a video to show you guys. So here I have opened up Snapchat. Now from the camera, I'll just lift my phone up and record a short video. Here I've recorded this video, and it's pretty normal speed. It's laggy at first, but this is the video. Now all you have to do is at the bottom you'll find different filters that you can choose from. Now all you need to do is swipe to the left and go across all of these filters. Now here you can find this rabbit icon to speed up the video. So the first one is this option. It speeds up it just a bit, but if you want it even faster, you can choose the second option here, which goes a lot faster, just like so. You can select your option, and once you've selected your speed, you can even slow down the video, but I'll just keep it on the very fast option. Now just tap on send. If you want, you can save the video as well. Tap on the save at the bottom left, and then once you save it, tap on send, and you can send it to whoever you want. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.